London's Borough Market is a place where every sense comes alive. The moment you step through its historic arches, the aroma of fresh bread, sizzling seafood, rich coffee, and chocolate hits you, and you know you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring London's oldest and most famous food market, tasting what's worth your time, and showing you some hidden gems along the way. Welcome to Jetset Sibs, luxury for less. We're three siblings traveling the world in style, using points, perks, and smart hacks to unlock unforgettable experiences without paying full price. If you love travel, food, and luxury for less, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss an adventure with us. Walking toward Borough Market, the streets are bustling, full of energy, and every turn promises something new. The market has been serving Londoners for centuries, and it shows in every detail. Wooden stalls, colorful signage, the chatter of vendors calling out their specialties. It feels timeless, yet alive. The wide aisles are packed with curious tourists and locals alike, all drawn by the promise of great food. Our first stop is the viral chocolate-covered strawberries. There's a long line, and we join it to see if they live up to the hype. Watching the vendors drizzle chocolate over fresh, juicy strawberries is mesmerizing. The contrast of glossy chocolate against the bright red fruit is Instagram perfect. When we finally take a bite, the sweetness is balanced, the chocolate perfectly tempered, and the fruit fresh. They're good, no doubt, but the line, maybe not worth it if you're short on time. Next, we move to something that truly earns its reputation, the crème brûlée donut. Watching it being torched, the sugar bubbling and caramelizing feels like theater. One bite reveals a creamy, velvety custard inside, perfectly balanced with a delicate, crisp top. The flavors melt together on your tongue, leaving a sweet, decadent satisfaction. This is a must try, and it's easy to see why everyone raves about it. The market isn't just for sweets. We head over to the seafood section for fresh Scottish oysters. The vendors shuck them in front of you, the cold, briny smell unmistakable. A squeeze of lemon and a taste of the ocean instantly refreshes your palate. The oysters are crisp, salty, and perfect. An experience that reminds you why fresh seafood is worth traveling for. Between these and some of the best oysters we've had abroad, Borough Market holds its own. Cheese and baked goods are next on our list. Walking through the cheese stalls, wheels of cheddar, brie, and exotic varieties sit stacked, some aged and others freshly cut to order. The vendors let you sample, and each bite tells a story of craftsmanship. Freshly baked bread emerges from nearby ovens, crusty on the outside, soft on the inside. Pairing a slice with creamy cheese is simple perfection. This corner of the market often gets overlooked by tourists rushing for viral treats, but for anyone who appreciates artisanal flavors, it's a goldmine. Drinks and smaller indulgences are everywhere. We grab a flat white, the milk steamed to silky perfection, and a hot chocolate that's rich without being overly sweet. For those looking for something seasonal, warm molded cider or fresh fruit juices are perfect companions while wandering the market. Sipping while watching chefs prepare their specialties gives a moment to pause and soak in the atmosphere. Every drink complements the market's vibrancy, and it's a pleasure to sip slowly as you explore. As we move through the market, the energy never lets up. Crowds navigate narrow lanes, conversations mix with the sizzling of pans, and every stall has a story to tell. The smells, colors, and textures combine into a sensory adventure. For a market that's centuries old, it manages to feel modern, exciting, and entirely alive. Street musicians add background music, and spontaneous interactions with vendors make you feel like part of a community rather than a tourist attraction. Budgeting for Borough Market is part of the fun. We used our American Express Gold Card to earn 4x points on food purchases, which is our favorite trick for getting luxury travel for less. A tip for visiting is to share portions with your partner or group so you can sample more stalls without overspending. Planning ahead, arriving early, and following the quieter side alleys can reveal smaller vendors with equally amazing offerings. These hidden gems often go unnoticed, but provide some of the best food and drinks in the market. We can't talk about Borough Market without mentioning its history. Over 1,000 years old, it's evolved from a local marketplace to a destination for both Londoners and tourists. The architecture retains its classic charm, with exposed beams and brickwork, while the selection of food has expanded to international flavors. Walking through, you get a sense of continuity and tradition mixed with innovation and experimentation, making it a rare blend of old and new. Stopping again, we try a few more treats. Mini tarts filled with seasonal fruit, pastries dusted with sugar, and freshly squeezed juices all showcase the quality and variety the market offers. Sampling each feels like a small discovery, and the vendors are always ready to explain their craft. The passion and skill behind the products make tasting them even more enjoyable. It's a reminder that markets like this aren't just about eating, they're about experiencing culture through food. Throughout our walk, the camera captures slow-motion bites, close-ups of textures, and panoramic shots of the market's bustling aisles. Each stall feels like a small stage, with vendors performing the craft of food and visitors like us as willing spectators. The attention to detail, from the plating of pastries to the stacking of cheese wheels, reinforces why Borough Market is one of London's most beloved destinations. By the time we reach the end of our journey, our bags are full of goodies, our stomachs are happy, and our senses are buzzing. Borough Market offers a mix of indulgence, education, and entertainment, all in one historic location. From the famous treats that bring in tourists to the artisanal vendors that feed locals, it's a vibrant ecosystem of food, community, and culture. To wrap up, Borough Market is more than just a place to eat. It's a living, breathing landmark of London's culinary scene. The smells, sights, and flavors make it a must visit for anyone passionate about food, history, or simply enjoying the small pleasures of life. Arrive early, follow the alleys, try both the famous and the hidden offerings, and don't rush. Part of the magic is discovering the unexpected around every corner. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through Borough Market. If you loved this walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a Jetset Sibs travel guide. Where should we explore next in London? Comment below and let us know. We love hearing your suggestions and might feature them in our next Luxury for Less adventure. Borough Market isn't just a market. It's a story told through food, a vibrant display of London life, and a place where you can taste history and innovation at the same time. Every bite, every stall, every scent tells a part of that story. For us, it's a reminder that luxury doesn't always mean fancy restaurants or expensive hotels. Sometimes it's about experiencing something authentically, fully, and with curiosity. Whether it's the chocolate-covered strawberries, crème brûlée donuts, Scottish oysters, artisanal cheeses, or a perfectly crafted coffee, Borough Market delivers. It's a place where planning, patience, and a love for good food lead to unforgettable moments. Every corner has potential for a new discovery, and every step through the arches reminds you why London is a world-class city for food lovers. So make your visit count. Arrive early to beat the crowds, share portions to sample more, use points where you can, and soak it all in. Borough Market rewards curiosity, patience, and a love for good food. And for us, it's just another step in our journey of traveling in style while spending smartly. For Jetset Sibs, Borough Market isn't just a market. It's a destination, a classroom, and a stage for delicious discoveries. Every trip, every market, every meal teaches something new about culture, flavor, and the joy of exploring the world. With the right approach, you can experience the best of London without overspending. And that's the essence of luxury for less. We hope you enjoyed this Borough Market adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our next food, travel, or lifestyle exploration. London is full of surprises, and we're just getting started. Until next time, happy travels and happy eating.